The elevation tool in the Nebraska Trails application allows you to draw a line to discuss and find out different lengths and different elevation heights in a trail or between 2 points. The way to use this tool is, for instance, if I go to Chateron State Park and I zoom in and I'd like to find out how depth and how high the elevation is between 2 points between this trailhead, I first go to the elevation profile, and the default is miles, but you have the option of changing the different measurement options. Once you click on the measurement tool, you hit 1 point here, and you go down and you select another point. Then the elevation profile happens. Once you select, you can have as many points as you'd like. For this example, I've used 2 points. It takes a minute for the elevation profile to come. You can see here on the map that as you go through and you start looking at the elevation profile, it locates it and signifies it on the point trail that you have selected between the 2 points. This can also be used for trail purposes, for elevation and hiking purposes as well. In order to go back and start over again, all you do is simply choose another place and you can do the same result will happen. So not only do you get an accurate description on the chart itself, but as you look at it at the different points on the chart, it is shown with a red X on the map as well.